Today, guys, it is Monkey Mayhem, and it is going to be the coolest thing ever. You'll get to meet your favorite content creators. You'll get to mess around and have fun with your friends. And if you're lucky, you might even meet the creator of the game and different moderators. Now, remember to tell your friends about this so you can have the time of your life. Make sure you are online. Do not miss it at 1 p.m. EST. Hope you have a great time.
I got a stick.
And see ya. Bye.
I can ban you.